j equals 0, j less greater than 16, j plus plus, digital wide buzzer I, digital wide buzzer low, digital wide buzzer I, digital wide buzzer low with 200 millisecond delay. If Wi-Fi multi-run equal to well-connected STA require PTR, DSL, Wi-Fi client, source client, new BSL or Wi-Fi client source will generate a Wi-Fi client which known as a BSL client, which is a secure client to communicate send a data access sheet. Client set fingerprint. It will set a line send the data with fingerprint. Data 2, data 1 plus string, which is a character string, block number, read block, data. So it will imply data 1 plus data 2 combined with block number and send into server. Data 2 trim, it will trim data, print data 2. Wi-Fi HTTP client, HTTP print, HTTP bidden. If HTTP bidden dot client, print f out that and int HTTP toad equals that HTTP that. So there's if else HTTP toad greater than 0, print HTTP that. So it will print HTTP address, which is address with data, and else to print HTTP failed, HTTP and data 1000, else print HTTP unable to connect wide read digit data from block integer block number byte read block data. For loop, which is a for int I is equals 0, I less greater than 6, I plus plus t byte of, and similarly status equals to mrf52c. So I not explain if status not greater than mrf52 status होते हैं, print twice to thrice authentication failed to read print that start code number status return print twice start success, and similarly else in those who are all the way to down print block read value successfully. And there's a third code, not change anything. This code you can only modify one thing, which is a Wi-Fi credential, password and username. So only these two things you can only be changed, which is, let me control F Wi-Fi WIFI find Wi-Fi, I think link system. So my Wi-Fi link system, so LYLI and the link SYSTEM find. Yes, in the white setup here we input our password plus your username. So I have two passwords and two usernames because I have two devices. So I will, when I upload this code, I will block the one, remove the one line, so only one password and username will enter it, which is a Wi-Fi hotspot or your mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. Here put in the Wi-Fi address, name and plus password, and then upload this code afterward for first code in the node MCU, and then main node which code uploaded the Excel sheet, automate Excel sheet. I later tell. This time Doodle sheet code is not a bandit C language, so I just not explain. So here is a type in a JSON string language, I think, which is there is a code which is there. Its result it will imply a name by column C, so it will the result is imply a name which write in column C. Row data it was employer name in C. So these two lines written in the employer data in C, and there is the variable current date equals new date, row data 0, current date data in column A, date in column A. So this store is used to date in column A. Well, time equals so this format data, country data, Asia total data. So there is a basic time which is typed in column B. So here you can see country date, Asia total data is India. So here is Pakistan. So for it to last time change this thing. So you can change this time your turn time, which time is which country you live. So you can change city country slash city time here, which will then set in a column B and column A from date. So here you can put your country date, 4 parameters in e parameter launch int from loop. So there's not embedded C language, so that's why I am only what in embedded C language is. So I am not sure how this store is deeply worked, but I tell a basic things which things I know. Raw data equals value employer name in C. So employer name in C. Result employer name right in short column C. By default. Result unsported parameter. And similarly there is a launder JSON dot string raw data variable new range equals sheet that range new reflow 1 row length new range set value raw data. So return that service text create that output result function strip twice values return value replace